Namaskara, Vandam. Today is not merely an event, it is an expression of ecological federalism where states are not competitors but collaborators. As a brother, as a sisterly state, and a brother, Karnataka has not only opened its resources but also its heart. అంటే కేవలం మాకు ఇవ్వడానికి ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ కర్ణాటక ప్రభుత్వం సిద్ధరామయ్య గారి ఉన్న వారి నాయకత్వంలో ఈ కర్ణాటక ప్రభుత్వం మీకు ఏనుగులు ఇవ్వడం కాదు, మాకు మీ హృదయాన్ని మీ హృదయ కవటాలను తెరిచారు. దానికి నా సంపూర్ణ కృతజ్ఞతలు. Karnataka has not only opened its resources but also its heart. As the Deputy Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh and the Minister of Environment and Forests, I am proud to say that you have stood with us like a truly a brotherly state. Our Sahodara Rajyadante Namma Jyotiga Nintiddare. This movement marks a living chapter in our cooperation, a living bridge of trust, wildlife and freedom and wisdom. Today we stand at a historic crossroad, not just between two states, but between vision and action. This is not a mere relocation, this is a relaying of hope, wisdom and trust. These gentle giants here, the Kunki elephants, are not just gentle giants, and they're not just majestic things. They're ambassadors of harmony, mentors of restraint, and icons of a shared ecological destiny. So for this, to the people of Government of Karnataka, we thank you not just for this noble gesture, but for standing us within the spirit of ecological brotherhood. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಜನತೆಗೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಸರ್ಕಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಉದಾತ್ತವಾದ ಉಡುಗೊರೆಗಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಕೃತಜ್ಞತಾ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಈ ಉಡುಗೊರೆಗಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಪರಿಸರ ಸಂರಕ್ಷಣೆಯ ಬಾಂಧವ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮೊಂದಿಗೆ ನಿಂತಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೃದಯಪೂರ್ವಕ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನು ತಿಳಿಸುತ್ತೇವೆ. With this cooperation, the forests of both states will become more secure. ಈ ಸಹಕಾರದಿಂದ ಎರಡು ರಾಜ್ಯಗಳು ಅರಣ್ಯಗಳು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಸುರಕ್ಷಿತವಾಗುತ್ತವೆ. And in return, so Honorable Minister of Forest and Environment, Sri Ishwar Kandreji, was saying to make sure these elephants will be taken care. And so I promise you, sir, to the Honorable Chief Minister, Siddaramaiah ji, and to Honorable Ishwar Kandreji, I promise you, I'll personally look into it time to time, I'll visit them, I'll make sure their health is good, I'll make sure they've been taken care well, and I will promise you that if anything goes wrong, you can make me liable for that. And in return, we pledge to honor this trust with the precision of science, the spirit of empathy, and the unshakable integrity of our purpose. This is just the beginning. Let us work together, Karnataka and Andhra, with shared footprints and a singular purpose. We look forward to taking these gentle giants, these Kunka elephants, home and establishing a modern elephant camp in Andhra Pradesh, one that reflects both traditional wisdom and modern standards of care, nutrition, and ethical management. And let us continue to work hand in hand to stop smuggling of red sandals and sandalwood, to protect our shared biodiversity across borders, and to build an example of interstate ecological unity and to all of Bharat, for all of Bharat. And apart from Kunki elephants, I would like to bring it to your notice of both the states. Apart from transfer of Kunki elephants, and Karnataka government under the leadership of Siddaramaiah ji and Sri Ishwar Kandreji, we have about 9 more events happen, 9 more things have happened. One is standard operating procedure for Asian elephant capture, guidelines for field staff for HEC management, solar tentacle fence design, railway barricade design, elephant-proof trench design, elephant task force and constitution functions, and know the elephant of educational videos, educational video of elephant task force, a video of Kunki-based Asian elephant capture. And apart from this, all this transfer of knowledge happened at this level. So I'm grateful to you one more time. And also I'd like to thank our beloved and respected Chief Minister, Sri Andhra Pradesh Honorable Chief Minister Sri Chandrababu Naidu ji, for entrusting this responsibility on me. And thank you, sir. Thank you very much. And Gaurav Mukhyamantri Sri Chandrababu Naidu garu kuda na కర్ణాటక నుంచి నా హృదయపూర్వక ధన్యవాదాలు తెలియజేస్తున్నాను ఈ బాధ్యత నా మీద పెట్టినందుకు. అలాగే ఇంకొకసారి ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి పేరున టు ఆల్ ద కర్ణాటక higher officials of Forest Department and Chief Secretary, and one more time I would like to convey my heartfelt gratitude to Honorable Chief Minister Sri Siddaramaiah ji And my heartfelt gratitude to Sri Ishwar Kandreji for letting this happen. And this is a dream of 20 years. Last 21 years నుంచి ప్రత్యేకించి ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ ఆఫ్ ఎలిఫెంట్స్ నాలెడ్జ్ ఉండాలి. ఎందుకంటే మిటిగేషన్ ఎలిఫెంట్స్ మనుషుల వల్ల between the conflict between elephants and elephants and humans, a lot of lives have been losing. Recently also we had lost. A lot of people had lost their lives, and I think people have been expecting for the last 20 years, and we could happen with the blessings of Sri Siddaramaiah ji and Ishwar Kandreji, and thank you from the bottom of my heart, sir. So, just happened to be Honorable Deputy Chief Minister Sri D.K. Shiv-Kumar ji also has come. So, Karnataka Sanmanya Mukhyamantri Gala Sri D.K. Shiv-Kumar gavarige Hridayapurvaka Namaskaragal and my heartfelt gratitude to you, sir. And I didn't have I had seen him very few times in Delhi airport. First time I would be meeting him, and thank you, sir, and thank you for everything, and my heartfelt gratitude to you also. So, Dhanyavadigal, and for Karnataka Mate, I am truly grateful to our land of Karnataka, mother of Karnataka. So, Jai Karnataka, Jai Andhra, and Jai Bharat, Jai Hind.